Start with the name of Allah, who is the alone master of this whole world. My respectable teacher and dear colleagues, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are fine in this critical situation of lockdown. As you all know that we are facing hard time of COVID-19. Due to this, we are restricted at our homes. Ma'am assigned us a project of business idea. Many of my friends have done a great job in it. So here is the continuation of assignment with different idea by Khalid Hassan Dahar. Dears, my idea is related to the travel and tourism agency. According to the American survey, Pakistan is the most suitable place for visiting. Many of foreigners want to visit the northern mountainous areas, historical places of Sindh and Punjab, tombs and saints, etc. Not only this, PM of Pakistan has also emphasized in his speech for investment in tourism sector in order to uplift the economy. So, our mission and vision is to create ease for people to visit the beautiful places of Pakistan. There should be a travel agency which is to be more trustful for visitors. As Pakistan is blessed with natural beauty by Allah, many worth-seeing places are present in the country, but unfortunately due to the lack of facilities, we are unable to get the full of it. In order to overcome the situation, there should be an online service for visitors so that it becomes easier for them to visit all over the country. There will be no supply chain because it is a service-based business rather than the product-based. Through the online website, customers will be connected with the company. They can also visit and contact customer care center and get help of staff. Here is the sketch of the website in which minimum 5 options are available for the customers: travel, food, relax, payment and complaints. They just select the option and choose their respective menu. For example, there is a menu of travel in which different places of Pakistan are available. Customers will select one or more of these. After selecting the place, customer has to reach their centers available in the different cities from where they meet the staff who will provide them other facilities of transport, guidance, etc. Company not only providing the service of travel but also of food and relax. Visitors can select their favorite place where they want to stay and also select food through website which will be delivered by the staff. Company is also providing the service of payment online as well as physical payment at banks. Options will be available for online payment in the website. Along with this, customers can also complain against provided services. Yes, goals are important for all type of businesses. Definitely, here the goal is to provide travel service and earn the revenue. Company will set their plans along with the testing and monitoring of the system by headquarters. If we talk about the revenue model, as much as the service provided, the revenue will be increased by the service of travel, accommodation, transport, etc. Revenue will be collected through the online payment or physical payment at banks. It is a reality that there is no strong competition in this field, but the customers are present in a huge numbers. Definitely this is an advantage. On the other hand, if we talk about advertising, world become a global village due to the connectivity. Social media is a big platform for advertisement which is more inexpensive. TV advertisement, Panaflex and other options are also available for that purpose. Because the project will be spread all over the country, the budget should also be in a huge amount. It might be in millions dollars. It might be in $1 billion also. So this is the business plan from my side. Thank you so much.